Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm also doing okay. So today is, as you've read from the title, I'm doing a spend a day with me kind of video. So today I want to, first of all, I want to clean up the kitchen, and yes, after cleaning the dishes, I also want to go for plant shopping because I just want to buy one for those plants because I want to add on this one. I don't know if you can see it, the photos that's on my kitchen shelf. I want to add like 2 more photos on the same pot so that it can look fuller. And then yeah, I think that's the plan of the day. And then I also want to do some grocery shopping. I want to add tomatoes and some nyanyas and tomatoes and onions and squashes. So yes, I hope you enjoy today's video. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Hey, so I'm back from plant shopping, and I got only 3 plants: English ivy, golden pothos, yes, 2 ivies, and 1 pothos. Let me show you. So these are the plants that I got. I can't remove them from the bag because they'll dirtify the floor. So this is the ivy. Let me just pot them in a different pot, and then I'll show you. Hey guys, so I'm done potting my plants. Now, I don't know, I'll show you right now, or I'll show you tomorrow when there's enough light, because right now it's in the evening. So yeah, I'm done potting the plants. Now I want to prepare dinner. We're having fries and pork. So yes, that's what I want to do right now. I hope you are enjoying this video up to this point. If you're still enjoying, please subscribe if you haven't, and also like the video if you haven't liked yet. This is how I usually cook my pork, guys.
First thing is to boil it for like 15 minutes. I usually let it boil for like 20 minutes, and then after the water has evaporated, I just leave the pork at a low to medium heat so that it can release the natural fat. And then after the fat has has melted from the pork, I add onions. And then I don't like adding tomatoes in while cooking pork, especially for such a meal. I don't like adding tomatoes, so I just like adding onions, and that's it. I'm cooking with unless I'm having pork with ugali, that's when maybe I can add tomatoes, but I prefer cooking it with onions only. After adding onions, I don't usually add any oil, just like using the natural pork fat to cook. And then after the onions are well cooked, the pork is ready, will be ready to be served. So yeah, that's what we had. We also made kachumbari and fries for dinner. I didn't record much because we didn't have electricity. Yes, I was actually using my phone's flashlight to record, so I didn't record much because there was blackout. Yeah, and this was our meal for dinner. And yes, if you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you